Okay, so I've got my throttle and fuel control set up and finished and ready to be installed in my quarter scale Camel. To explain, this selector switch here selects either the pressurized tank or the gravity fed tank. The pressurized tank lasted for 3 hours. The gravity was 3/4 of an hour. The fuel flow is adjusted here through the valve underneath. That adjusted the fuel to the engine. This adjusted the airflow to the engine. And the plumbing comes in through the valve. If I can get my finger in there. Comes through the valve over here to this fuel filter, back around and under and over to the fuel control valve. So I hope that kind of clears some things up. Anyway, this is finished now and ready to be put into my Camel.